Hi, this is Stan from Stan for Adventure, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Forma TX terrain that I chose to buy for my off-road adventures. I have to announce that I do receive a little bit of promotional support from Forma, but in no way does that affect my thoughts or my opinion of the boots I chose. The boots are a little bit dusty because I was out in the dirt and I just gave them a quick once over. I chose this boot because it's one step above your softer adventure boots, softer dual sport riding boots. I just wanted more protection than the softer boots were offering that I've seen out there. The Forma TX terrain offers a lot of waterproof protection. I'll show you the membrane in a minute. The membrane comes about up to this top buckle, which is really good. I love the buckles, by the way. The latches on these boots are a little bit more sophisticated than you see on most motorcycle boots, adventure boots. There is a little tab that you get your finger under, which then helps you unlatch them like that. They are aluminum and some type of composite plastic. They all go down like this. Boom. Good Velcro up the top. And you can see that the membrane to help the waterproofing goes all the way up to just past the top adjustment strap. A very nice hinging system at the ankle and a nice color. The boot has a pleated area all through here so that it is a little bit more comfortable when you walk. I found the boot to be incredibly comfortable walking around. It's not so big and clunky like a motocross boot. In fact, I actually chose these because they didn't have a hard plastic sole like a motocross boot. Very unique sole, very non-slip. I've never slipped in the dirt. The boot did come with some end caps, which I removed from a suggestion from a video I saw on YouTube, actually I believe from Brett Trackis. The metal, which is the cap on the end, which is to protect the toe and the stitching and everything, it comes down through here and it actually slips on gravel. So I removed it with his suggestion, which I experienced that. It did slip on the gravel for me, the toe part. There is a lot of protection in this boot. Huge protection for the chin, very hard toe, heel protection, back of the calf. The boot has very good flexibility. Not very much sideways movement at all. Huge pad here for gripping the bike, and excellent seal at the top of your calf, top of your pants. My only real negative for the boot is the height of this toe right here. I actually tried another pair from another manufacturer and it was actually even higher than this one. I did have to adjust my shifter lever to compensate for the height, and I'm sure with practically every adventure boot you're going to have to do that. In fact, to get my shifter to a point that I really liked it, it was too high. The bike wouldn't go past fourth gear. In the actual manual for the GSA 1250, it actually talks about that you can adjust your shift lever too high where it could interfere with shifting, which was the case. So I had to bring it down a little bit, and I'm okay with where it's at now. And a nice color. I like them. If you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. This is Stan for Adventure. signing off. I'll see you again soon.
Stand for Adventure here. I just realized I didn't even talk about the price. The price is great for an Adventure dual sport boot. Please check them out. I think you'll enjoy them. Stand for Adventure, signing off again. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell to get notifications for when I put up another video. You know you want to.